Imagine you're outside a spacecraft and your suit fails. What actually happens? Hook time. You don't explode. You don't instantly freeze into a popsicle. And you probably have about 15 seconds before you black out. Myth versus reality. Myth 1. Your body pops like a balloon. Reality. Your skin is strong. In vacuum, dissolved gases in your blood form bubbles, embolism, so you'd swell, maybe up to twice your size, but you'd stay intact. It would hurt, and it would be terrifying, but you wouldn't burst. Myth 2. Instant freezing. Reality. Space is cold, but there's no air to steal your heat quickly. You lose heat by radiation, which is slow. In sunlight, you could actually heat up. In shadow, you'd start to cool, but not instantly. Here's the real timeline. The moment pressure drops, the air in your lungs tries to rush out. If you hold your breath, your lungs can rupture, so the right move is to exhale. Within about 10 seconds, hypoxia sets in. You feel dizzy, vision tunnels, you can't coordinate. Saliva and the moisture on your tongue start to boil. Not hot boiling, vacuum boiling. Your skin tightens, your joints ache, your body swells. Around 15 seconds, you lose consciousness. Your heart is still beating for a bit, but without oxygen, your brain is starving. If you're repressurized quickly, think under a minute, there's a chance you recover, though you could have decompression injuries. Beyond that, odds drop fast. Radiation and sunlight, they're not your immediate problem. Sunburn and eye damage would be nasty if you're facing the sun, but hypoxia wins the race. What about temperature extremes? In direct sun, parts of you heat rapidly. In deep shadow, you radiate heat away. But the dramatic frost instantly coating you? That's movie magic. Moisture would evaporate, then freeze on the surface, giving a frosty look after a bit, not instantly. Let's talk death in space. If you die in vacuum, what happens to your body? No oxygen means most microbes can't party. You'd either mummify as moisture sublimates, or freeze if you're in shadow. In a sealed suit with some air, you could decompose for a while, building pressure and odors, grim but true. In low Earth orbit, drag slowly brings things down. A body or suit would eventually re-enter and burn up. Space doesn't keep trophies near Earth forever. In deep space, your remains could persist for a very, very long time. Altered only by radiation, altered by micrometeoroids, altered by temperature cycles. Final myth. There's no way to survive. Reality? There is, if rescue is fast. Training drills teach. Exhale. Protect your eyes if you can. Minimize movement. Hope your team gets you back to pressure within tens of seconds. Space is stunning and utterly unforgiving. The truth isn't explosive or instant frozen horror. It's physics, pressure, oxygen, heat, time. Respect those and we go farther. Forget them, and space doesn't forgive. Stay curious and stay pressurized.